Hello everyone. In this video, we will teach you how to highlight the selected cell row. For example, you selected this cell, it will highlight this row. Selected the first one, highlight that one, this one, this one. Okay, if you click down, nothing. Okay, so we will teach you this how to highlight a row. Okay, selected cell row. So let's get started. Okay, so to perform this action, first of all, I will come here to the sheet 4 and I will apply this and this table. Okay, first of all, select the table, Control A. After selecting the table, come here to the home tab, conditional formatting. Last option, new rule. Okay, press this new rule. Then come here down to the last option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Select this one. After that, we will write our formula here in this formula bar. The formula is equal to cell, open parenthesis, quotation, row, right row, close quotation, close parenthesis, then equal sign, then row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay, so this is the formula that we will write. After that, press format. Come here to the fill tab and select which color you want to apply on the background. For example, green color. Press OK and press OK. So right now this row has been selected. If we press another cell row, so it will not highlight that. Okay, so to automatically highlight the selected cell row, for that we will move to developer tab. If the developer tab is not in your MS Excel, right click on this ribbon and customize the ribbon. Select this option and check this here, the developer tab, and press OK. So after coming to the developer tab, come here to the Visual Basic. We will just write a single word. Okay, we are working on sheet 4. Double click sheet 4. After the off here selected the general, you should select the worksheet. After selecting worksheet here, we will write application dot screen updating is equal to true. Just write this one line of code. Okay, after writing this, close it and close this also. Now if you select another cell, it will select that, it will highlight that row. Check it. So it works like this. Okay, but whenever you are saving this file, you should save as macro enabled. Like for example, file, save as, where you want, for example, at the documents. Okay, here you should save as Excel macro enabled. Okay, Excel macro enabled, then save it. Okay, so after saving it, you will be able to perform this action. Okay, like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.